Media and ICT Literacy. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the online quiz. The name is Google Form. There are two activities for today. The first one, how to construct the text item in Google Form, and the second one, how to share your link to your students. The first, please come to the website docs.google.com. This is one kind of the facility from the Google. So please make sure you have already logged into your Gmail account, your Gmail email, and then this is Google Form. Blank quiz. You can change with your quiz title. For example, science quiz. Customize color and then choose image. Let's start the test item. You can add the title for your quiz and then a description. Next, please, you can choose the test item types. Multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid. This is can add a date, a time. Let's do practice by using multiple choice. So you can add your question. I have one question by using multiple choice, and also you can add picture in your question, so you can upload or you can take by camera by URL and then photos or from your file in Google Drive or Google Image Search. And also for the option, you can also add the image for your option. The next, let's keep our answer key. Please click and please how many points? I would like 1. Done. And this is for the answer. Click answer key. Click. Okay. Done. This is please click required so student cannot move to the another part of the other section without answer this first item. Also, you can duplicate or select. This is one kind of my Google Form for the quiz. You can add a section 1 for your description, and then section 2 for the identity for your student, and section 3 for a multiple choice. So you can add a figure or image in your question. And please make sure in your Google Form quiz do not add A, B, C, D in your quiz. So the option will be random by Google Form. You can add picture. Okay, so how to share the link? So you can click. This is before we share the link. So you can see this is the response. So after our students submitted the answer, we will see the result in this part in menu response. And let's see how to share your account, your Google Form. Click send, and then click link. Click shorten URL, and then copy, and then share to your student. Okay, next, let's do practice. That's all for me. Hopefully this activity can benefit for you and improve your teaching activity, especially for science. Good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.